Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have explained what is simple interest, what is amount, what is principal, what is rate of interest, what is time, and how will you calculate amount. That was a detailed procedure. To avoid the lengthy calculations, there is a direct formula to calculate the amount. So that formula will be A is equal to P into 1 plus r upon 100 and power is n. N means time. Here for time I am not taking t, it is small n. P stands for principal, R stands for rate, A stands for amount. So we will do worksheet number 1 of this chapter, compound interest, chapter number 6, compound interest, worksheet number 1. So solution of question number 1, I am reading the statement. Find the compound interest on rupees 25,000. So on 25,000 which is written, that is called principal, and I am denoting that by P, rupees 25,000. Find the compound interest on rupees 25,000 at the rate of 12% per annum. So here you will write a rate of interest which will be denoted by capital R. It is 12% per annum P full stop A for 3 years. So here time, and I am denoting here time by N. It is 3 years. Now he is asking to calculate compound interest, not amount. So there is a formula of compound interest also. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. This is formula number 1. This is formula number 2. There is one direct formula also to calculate the compound interest, and that formula will be applied now. Direct formula of compound interest is P square bracket small bracket 1 plus r upon 100 power n, and here minus 1. With this formula you can directly calculate compound interest. Rupees 25,000, this is principal, then square bracket as it is, as is above. 1 plus r is 12, so 12 upon 100, whole power is n means 3, and this is minus 1. The cancellation of 12 and 100 with the table of 4. 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8, 2 4 fives are. So this is rupees 25,000 square bracket 1 plus 3 upon 25, power is 3 minus 1. So rupees 25,000 square bracket. Students find calculation difficulty here. It is very easy. 25 ones are 25 plus 3 is 28. So 28 upon 25, power is 3 minus 1. Now rupees 25,000. Here you need to multiply 28 3 times. So in rough work you can multiply 28 3 times. It will come 21,952 upon 25 is to be multiplied 3 times. So 25 25s are 625. 625 into 25 is 15,625 minus 1. Calculations should be done with perfection, carefully. Rupees 25,000. Here LCM will be 15,625. So here 21,952 minus 15,625 into 1. It is 15,625. square bracket closed. So rupees 25,000. Now this square bracket is being removed by me. Now 21,952 minus 15,625. After subtraction you will get 6327. Now 15,625. Now it seems that cancellation is little difficult, so I will do it easy. 25,000 into 6327 upon this we have got by multiplying 25 three times. So I am splitting it as 25 into 25 into 25. Now cutting is easy. 25 ones are 25 ones are 1 2 3. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100 and 1 0. Now to make the calculation more easy, first 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40. So what you need to do, 6,327 is to be multiplied by 8. So rupees 50616 divided by 5. Now in the rough work you may divide 50,616 with 5. You will get rupees 10,123.2. So when single digit comes after decimal and the answer is in rupees, you put 10 because 20 paisa it will become 10,123 rupees 20 paisa. So I have explained this question by applying the formula. By applying the formula, question will become very easy, but calculation part should be done very carefully by you. Thank you. I hope you have understood the solution of the question.